Hi, my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video today. We're outside, it stopped raining, thank goodness. So yeah, we're looking at this drum. It's to accompany the listing on our Etsy shop. So we have a buffalo skin oval or egg shape drum just here. It's on a willow wood frame. As I say, it's buffalo skin. As you can see, it's got this beautiful wolf design that I've painted on the front. If I turn it over, you can see we've got the branch handle. This is a hazel branch. It's laced with artificial sinew. On the inside of the frame I've put buffalo and willow. The date when it was birthed, which was the 19th of July. And also my Maker's Mark Driftwood Hollow drums. I'm going to play with two beaters. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum or individually. If you elsewhere on the Etsy shop you'll find a listing just for the beaters. There's a soft beater and a firm beater. Now they both give a slightly different sound, so I'm going to play with both just to demonstrate the drum for you. Here we go. The firmer beater. Gorgeous, beautiful sound, beautiful drum. I'm biased because I made it, so I'm going to say that, but it is. All right then, well I hope the video helps you anyway, then at least you've been able to hear the sound on the Etsy listing. There's obviously higher resolution images for you to have a close look at the drum. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.